How's it going, guys? I'm back again. I feel good. This is the second video. I think we can say we're starting to become consistent. Today I traded NVFY, had a green trade. Could have made more money. Always can make more money. I'm gonna break this trade down for you. Tell you what I thought I did good, what I thought I could do better. Let's get started. Again, paper trade. I traded in my real account. It's a paper trading account because I don't like having my information up there. Cool, let's do it. Clear. Boom. So I turned the computer on today around 8:30 a.m. Boom. This was I think it was either top two. It was either number 2 or number 3 leading gappers, but the number 1 leading gapper was it was like some nonsense. It didn't really make sense. So I come in, I started setting up my levels. First level I set at 338. Boom, right here. Second level I set down here at I set at 298, 289. I set it right here. This is 298. 284. Yeah, second level I set right there. Next, I had a price target of, give me 1 second, I can tell you. I had a price target of 390. Cool. So next I set up my trend lines. Trend lines, here we go. And then we go bottoms, 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 bottoms. Bang. Trend lines, you just want to connect as many points as you can. The more points you connect, usually the stronger the trend. So this is the trend right here. I'll make these a different color for you guys. Let's see. I'll leave the trend lines white and I'll change the range lines. That's made yellow. Then I'll change this one to yellow as well. So I wanted to get in at about $3, 3.05, 3.0, around $3, 3.08. I ended up getting filled at 3.11. I bought half the shares I wanted to buy because I didn't love the entry price. I could have, looking back hindsight, I could have bought all the shares. It wasn't a dramatic difference. You're never gonna get sometimes you can get a perfect feel, but most of the time you don't get a perfect feel. But I was like, if you look at this move, like just right here before 9-10, this is like not the best. It's trending down. It's in the areas that I want it to be. It looks good. It had 5 out of the 7 things I like my stocks to have. But maybe it's because I'm just getting back into trading, or maybe I'm just a little hesitant. But I was like, if it drops down some more, I'll probably buy more shares if it gets closer to my 3. It did get down here because I carried it on at 8:30. It did get down. I didn't finish charting. It took me a couple minutes to finish charting. It got down here at like 3.04, and I was like, and then it popped right up to like 3.08, 3.11, and I was like, all right, cool. So I got filled at 3.11, rode the wave, was just being patient, watching it, let it do what it do. Was doing some other little side stuff. Still paying attention. It starts squeezing up at 9-10 a.m. Boom, it squeezes up. It's my first price target right here at 380. I think I started selling at 345, 340. Boom. I sold about 50% of my position, maybe 60. Then it squeezed up some more. So probably another 10%. Squeezed up some more. So another 10. It went up to 342 after I was done trading it. I was done trading by 335. So I was done in this candle. I would say I sold my last couple shares around the 410 range. Overall, execution was really good. Only thing I did wrong is I didn't buy all my shares. I'm still trying to figure. I figured out a process of where to sell at. So I sell anywhere from 50 to 60% at my first price target. That way, even if it pulls back, I'll end up, if it pulls back to my entry price, which was 311, I'll hold a little while. If it drops down a little bit lower, I'll still be in the green. But I'm trying to figure out where is a good time to buy, like, because this is where I wanted it at. Like, well, I wanted it right here around this $3. I wanted it $3. 311 wasn't bad. I think I want to say, like, if it's within a certain percentage of my target, I'm willing to buy 100% of it. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out some more. I'll play around with that maybe later on today. Well, the weekend's coming. I'll play around with that on Sunday. What else? Overall, I was really happy with this trade. I made more money than I made the last video. So what was that, 2 days ago? Made more money today. I think I bought fewer shares though, because I think the other price, I did buy fewer shares because the other stock was more expensive. Overall, the stock went up $1.30 from my entry price. $1, I wanted it at $3. $1.42 from the price I wanted it at, $3. I caught it for about, I was here for this entire move right here, but I wasn't holding my full position. So I don't know. Maybe I could hold a little bit longer. I was happy I took the profit. Once I started taking profit, I wasn't worried or stressed about this trade. I was more worried and stressed than I was about the one on Wednesday. Even though I feel like this was a better setup and I was more confident in it, I was like, man, I got to keep this green streak going. I got to make sure I have another green day. What if I'm making the wrong decision? What if I miss something? So I was a little hesitant, but I wasn't really stressed. And once, maybe I was a little stressed. Let me take that back. Once I started selling some of my shares when I was in the green, because I was red at first, it went down from 311 to 304. So I was red a little bit. And then once I started selling my shares, locked in a green day, the stress or the fear or the worry, it went away completely. And then I just could execute. And I started executing, I would say, pretty well. So that's why I sell 50% at my first price target. But if you look, there was a whole dollar move between my price target and right. It was a whole dollar move between my price target and where the stock actually went to, so I could have captured more profit. But you're never gonna catch the entire move, so that's what I'm figuring out now. I'm very confident in the strategy, confident. I'm becoming more confident in the execution. The strategy I believe in. It's the execution, like my end. Oh, am I getting greedy? Oh, am I being fearful? Oh, what am I doing? Why am I not selling? So if it goes, if the stock or the trade goes against me, will I really exit at my exit price? So those are all things I'm trying to fix now. But overall, ticker NVFY, had a green trade on it, good move. Let's see, one last thing. So it went up about, where'd this go? It went up 45%, really good move. And let me know if you guys traded it right now. It looks like it's getting ready to pull back. If you're watching this video, maybe 340 is a good price to buy it at. It might bounce off of it. I'm not interested anymore. Got my money, got out, go enjoy the day. Let me know if you traded it, what experience you had with it. Actually traded this ticker before in the past and had a green day on it too, so that helped a little bit. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you think I did something wrong or I could have done it better, if you have any advice, let me know. I appreciate it. We're all here to grow together. Thanks. I'm out. Have a great day.